Hey, it's Dorita here with another quick and easy math lesson. Today we're going to talk a little bit about division. Now, division is usually a topic that most kids really struggle with. And part of the reason is they don't know really where to start. And so what I like to say is, well, what do you know? And so I'll show you how that works. But you can start from what you know about the divisor, about the number that you're dividing by. And you can use that to start you to figure out what the quotient, which is the answer, is going to be, and if there is any remainder. And it usually goes just as fast as the typical way that I learned how to use division, and probably that you learned how to do long division as well. So let's look at a problem. So right now I've got 632 divided by 19. Well, what do I know about 19? Well, I do know that 19 times 2 is 38. I know that 19 times 10 is 190. And by taking half of that, I know that 19 times 5 is 95. If I can figure out those three things, then I can figure out how to solve this problem. So first of all, I'm going to set it up like this. Kind of looks like instead of having the one little kind of house looking thing, we've kind of got one that kind of looks like a big 7. But what that's going to do is that's going to let us put the groups of things that we know that we can start working on over here to the side, and it gives us a little bit more room to work. So when I look at 632 divided by 19, I go back to what I know, which is that 19 times 2 is 38, 19 times 10 is 190, 19 times 5 is 95. Well, I know that 19 times 10 is 190. So knowing that 19 times 2 is 38, I know that 19 times 20 is 380. That's where I'm going to start, because I know that I can take away 380 by putting them into 20 groups. So I put them into 20 groups, subtract 380, and I have a leftover of 252. Well, I know that I can't take away another 20 groups, but I do know that I can do 10 groups. So if I have 10 groups, then that means I'm taking away 190, which leaves me 62. And then with my 19, I know that 62 is 20 times 3. So I know that I will have 3 groups of 19 that I can take out. And I do. I've got 57. If I take away 57, then that's 3 more groups of 19. And that's going to leave me a leftover of 5, which I can't put in a group because I've got to have 19 things to make a full group. So when I look over here, I add these groups together that I made. I first made 20, then I made 10, then I made 3. So I'll have 33 groups of 19. Those 33 groups will then leave me with a remainder of 5. And so that is just using the basic math facts of doubling times 10 pattern, halving that to get times 5. Thank you, sweetie. And that gives me a way to start. And that is usually where most kids get caught up and frozen whenever they start their division. They don't know where to start. So if they start with what they know, then as they continue to move down, they are going to find simpler and simpler combinations. And so that is how we like to have the students start with division, because it gives them a starting place. And so I hope that you enjoyed this video, and you may like and share, and also comment below if you have any questions or need any other further videos that you're looking for. Thank you. I don't want to play catch right now. So anyway, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can find me on Facebook, and check out my blog at www.DoritaMcCullers.org for more math tips and lessons. And from me and Thor, we say goodbye, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.